We've had quite a bit of ARB products on the channel recently, and today we have the ARB rock sliders for the 21 and up Ford Bronco, and we're going to check them out and show you how to install them. If you're like us and you plan on taking your Bronco out on some trails to have some fun, then it's definitely a good idea to think about buying some rock sliders. These rock sliders bolt right up to the Bronco chassis and then protect the door sills and the surrounding areas from any big rocks, boulders, or debris. Now, just like the bumpers, the ARB rock sliders are just as durable. They also come in the same powder coated textured black, and they lay it on pretty thick, so if you end up scraping up against anything along the trails, it shouldn't flake off too easily. Another thing that's worth mentioning, by installing these rock sliders, you won't mess up the ramp over angle, so you won't have any issues with getting stuck in different areas of the trail. Now, if you'd like to purchase these, definitely check out our website. I have a link down in the description below, but let's go ahead and throw these on the Bronco. To start this installation off, we're going to remove two nuts off the body mount on the front side of the Bronco, and then we're going to work our way to the back and remove the mud flap. Now we're going to go and loosen all of our gas tank skid plate bolts. We're actually going to take out 3 of them completely on the front half here, and then from there we'll get this rock slider up into place and bolt it down. Now, before jumping into the installation here, you will have to remove your factory step if you have one, so go ahead and do so. And if you don't know how to do so, I have a video that I'll link down in the description that'll show you how. We're now ready to install the ARB rock slider, and the way we're going to do that is we're going to put it into place and use the 2 factory nuts that we took off of the body mount to be able to install the front half of the slider. And then from there, we'll work on some other hardware. Next step, go ahead and grab the U-bolt, some of the cable ties, and then this double-sided tape. What we're going to do is we're going to coat the back of the U-bolt with it and then install it into the Bronco. Alright, so once you have all the bolts in, go ahead and tighten them down. And something I do want to mention, to get that back U-bolt in, I actually just ended up removing all of the bolts to the gas tank and then supported the gas tank with the lift because it's a very tight area to try to fit that U-bolt in. Now go ahead and grab the last 2 bolts in the hardware package and we're going to bolt them down to the front, and that'll finish up our installation. Well, there you have it. That's the ARB rock slider install on the 21 and up Ford Bronco. I gotta say, I love the way that these look. They really match the front and ARB bumper really well, and they're gonna be really durable when we take this thing off-roading at the end of the month. Now keep in mind, you're gonna wanna have a friend on standby because these rock sliders are super heavy, so it's definitely nice to have a second set of hands to be able to lift them up in place. It's time to drop a gear and disappear. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And as always, check the link in the description down below for all your off-road part needs.